walking alone. Me never really lack, somehow me always good. Even in the dry place, still find food. When me tired, feel like drop down low. Me get strength that me never know. Find peace in the quiet side, far from the noise where me can't hide. Somehow me end up where me should be, like a hand keep guiding me. When we walk through the darkest place, me don't fear, me feel like grace. Something there me can't explain, keep me calm through all the pain. Right beside me every step, even when my mind forget. Through the storm, through the pressure, we still find a kind of shelter. Table set even when them down, in front of all who count me out. I'll come me head, yeah, blessings flow, even when me never know. Cup run over, more than enough. Even when the days get rough, good things follow everywhere, like mercy always in the air. All my life we see clear, even pain bring me near. Every road, every test, still somehow me get blessed. Me now walk alone, never on my own. When we walk through the darkest place, me don't fear, me feel like grace. Something there me can't explain, keep me calm through all the pain. Goodness follow everywhere, even when me unaware. All my days me find my way, in that presence me go stay. Yeah.